Yo, Sana, because it's open, but I've got a coat that I can use. I want to believe so. This thing might be green. So, we'll see. We shall see, guys. So we are going to, I'm done with my studying. I'm leaving the campus. I didn't do much today, and I feel like I didn't do much. So we are going to the mall for the waxing, and yeah, for e-wax appointment here. It's at past, and the time now it's like I'm 7 minutes. Hey guys, the time is 13:23 and my appointment. Why are you alone? Uzandilibaza, why kule line? Hey, abantu bayayiqhuba into engekhoyo guys kule ndlela siziqhuba kuzo. So actually the place is not far, but I'm gonna try to be as quick as possible because like I said, I'm going for my work saying. So appointment is at past, and now it's 13:23. Yo, Sana, I thought I was gonna be quick, but yeah, let's do this. We thank you, Jesus, for this day, Sana, because yeah, we thank you for this day. Like I was still saying, I didn't do much on my studying today, and as a judge, I had a lot of work. So there's Georgia, guys. Okay. Yes, Judge, I'm judging myself. I'm judging me. Okay, I think we're gonna be there around exactly past. Exactly past. Because the place is not, I think it's 5 minutes. We're gonna see if we're gonna beat the 7 minutes. Now it's 24 minutes. 4 minutes past 1. The date is what? The 5th of, I'm at the 4th of November. You forgot November, 2025. Unyaka uphelile, guys. This year was so quick for me. This year was very, 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 very quick for Sheila. I'm telling you. Khawulezile for mna lo nyaka. It was not that bad at all. It was not that bad at all. It's just that I was so discouraged with a lot of other things. Generally, school kept me busy this year. I didn't invest much on Ushina. Hey guys, I'm lying. Why am I lying? By the way, there were a lot of things that there are a lot of things that happened that I'm grateful for. I don't want to lie. Why am I lying and saying I didn't do much for Sheila? Is it because I haven't buy myself the bed? Because I've been in needy of Ibedi. 26 minutes past and I can see the mall. I've been needy, man. I have been needy of Ibedi and I haven't buy Ibedi. So Sanalam, that's why in the city of Nyaka, emotionally, I've been up and down, shame, I don't want to lie. Emotionally, I've been offering this year. I don't know why.
Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher.
I've been guys, Jay. And to be quite honest, maybe the reason why I felt this year so badly, it's simply because I used to share expenses with someone else.
Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever.
This is where I am, so close. So I'm done. Mlungu sweet.
Okay, you have 3 coins, which is 3 rands. Would you like to use them?
Not now, Mrs.
Should we save them?
Yeah.
Okay.
As expiring, it?
No, they'll tell you if they're expiring. So it will be 8:20 every day.
We're back. We're home. Guys, I'm tired. I just want to sit down and I'm going to watch Imadanga Commission. So, I just want you. Let's eat together. Fish and chips. Can just quickly wash my hands. Guys, we are having hake and fish. I don't like the patty.
Give me.
Okay, Andy. Thank you. Let's move back. We're having spaghetti. What is this? No, granadilla twist.
What you need is just an offering. It's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refine.
Guys, I forgot. There's also a piña. We are mukbanging. Guys, if you don't like mukbang, please don't watch this part. Because we are definitely gonna be talking while there's food in our mouth. Guys, I am so sorry. I just need to quickly do this. I'm done with my eating. And remember, we went for waxing at Wax It. Guys, great experience. Go clean those things that need to be cleaned as a woman. It's uncomfortable, but if you've got someone that is nice, that knows what they do. So we bought the exfoliating cleanser. This is step 1. This was 370, guys, so now I have to use this to exfoliate. Okay, especially Amber, I'm going to use the other one. So I'm just gonna read. So it's exfoliating cleanser. It's an scented cleanser that is safe for all body use, including the face, okay, and the intimate areas. A blend of active African botanical ingredients generally exfoliates and hydrates your skin while reducing inflammation, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. I think you can get this even if you don't. You can use it from here to there, but it's very expensive to use it for the whole body. I don't want to lie. So I've got this. I think the next thing that I'm going to do, I want to change my pattern. I'm not sure, but I want to have the whole collection. Every month I'm gonna buy something, and yeah, we're gonna start this journey. Next year one is gonna be smooth, because when I'm going again in December, I'm gonna buy another one, another product. So that was it, guys. Like I said, it's 370. So the combo of, and it's 450. It's a lot of money, eh? It's a lot of money, but for the whole month, for you to be smooth everywhere, feeling clean. I don't want to lie, I started here and I really liked the feeling. So today I was like, let's do everything. Let's do everything, Sana. So every month of May, when I budget 450 of pampering me. Yo, Sana. But let's close it there. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. We're not cooking today. I'm just gonna watch Madlanga, and I am going to catch up with my studies, and that's it.
Good morning. Guys, look at my eyes. So painful. I am gonna go do my nails. I wanna go early, I wanna do my nails. And I'll go pick up my dress. I'll go pick up my dress there. Yeah, that'll be it.
Hey guys, we are off to the self-care brothers tag. So I'm going to do I'm going to take you guys with, yeah, let's go.
Also need some butter shy.
You said it only. Hey guys, hope you are all doing well. We are off to our self-care, and I'm thinking of going to Pretoria to make an appointment for my pondo. Oh, bread tree condole for my pondo. So now we are really going. We are firstly going to. We are going to do Inwedezam Lizette. Lizette, she's been my nail tech, I wanna say, for the longest time. So she gave me an address, and the address is I said to my son he must send it here. Ukwatile ke uendi suyenza lento yenzayo. I went to market to get izinto zabantwana bam just to cheer them up when they study. I think you should try this.
How about you here? I forgot. There's something I forget. How can I forget this? Exam stuff. Just have some. Ooh, this for me. Just got some chocolates and new ones, of course. Never a day skipping them. And some sour things. And some mushy for children, because I am one. And some cool. And some
So what are these for?
For me to eat.
When you do what?
Do not start.
When you study? Okay. Okay, and do you
And
like
this one
it?
is also for me.
That's
also.
your brother. You're lying, that's your brother's.
Need, bro.
Okay, so guys, this is what I had for my children. I felt like they deserve it because they've been doing well on their studies. And yeah,
It's been a minute.
let's have a look at the study pack of my children. Same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing, same thing. Guys, we need to spoil these kids if you can. You have to spoil your children. It doesn't have to be sweets, but for me, I just wanted to buy them this thing that I always say, don't eat sweets, don't eat sweets. I wanted to get them sweets because, yeah. Hey guys, let's quickly, and not unbox, man. I just want to show you. I went to Macra. Guys, I spent like 1,000 rand, 1,000 rand. That is how I, so, noodles. This is the only thing that I bought for myself. I bought this for the sink. Okay, these 2 bananas, it's part of the study packs for my children. Study packs I showed you at the beginning, so I put it back. And also I just, oh, okay, the other things that I bought 3 of these wallpapers, 3 of them for this wall here. So I'm gonna put this wallpaper. I hope it's gonna look good. And then a shake layer, I'm gonna put it in my room, but I doubt very much. These are 5 meter and they were 199 rand each. So I bought about 3. It was 199 and then it went to 99 rands. So it was 100 rand basically. So I bought 3. Instead of paying 600, I paid 300 rand. So all together with those 2 study packs, I spent 909 rand. Guys, I am so tired. I want to rest. You can see I'm still walking. I'm on my feet, so I am on my feet. So I just want to, guys, I just want to rest now. Watch Mkwanazi have a cup of soup. I want to have a cup of soup. If I have a cup of soup, it's gonna make in. Guys, I'm losing weight. Can you see, ma? Can you see? Can you see? And I'm not doing anything. I'm doing absolutely. Oh, I do sometimes. Yeah, gym is at 5 minutes, but guess that is for my mental health. That's it. Bye for now, guys. I will see you on the video that I'm going to post. I don't know. I have to post that the Nande event. I have to post it on Saturday when I come back, or Sunday. I have a Sunday. So this video, I have to post this video tomorrow. This one has to go tomorrow so that I can be able. Why am I posting? Why am I rushing it? Because I need to wait for Nande at least to post her video for event here, okay? But I will see, guys. I will post that video. I don't know, but I want to post this video this coming weekend. But I'm thinking, also my dress is ready. I'm going to get my dress tomorrow. I'm going to go do my hair, which you're not going to see here. You're going to see it in the next vlog. Ningalibali ukusubscribe because ndinithanda. Hooray! Elections zenzile, guys. Kulizet izolo. Yesterday we went and we did the most simple nails, the simplest nails, because I wanted something clean. Andinamdla we-nails ezinto, guys. So also inyawo sizenzile, and that is it. Guys, I owe myself a gastro surgery. What do you guys think? Yes, oh. Okay, bye bye, guys.